Meditation is a very wonderful tool in managing your day, and it's not stealing your moments away from important things in your life. Meditation helps you in managing your time by allowing your central nervous system to slow down and relax. When you are in that particular stage, you subconsciously understand what needs to be done at the moment and what things can wait. So when you are giving yourself the time or the moment to become imperfect, which means like not expecting everything to be done in one day, then you tend to give your best to perform at your optimum level. Then you tend to finish things more quickly and with great performance. That's why you need to help yourself by allowing your central nervous system to function well. And the breathing and the relaxing moments in meditation will help you do that. We all have many thoughts racing in our minds every second. And that's pretty normal because that's the function of our brain. How meditation will help you with that in how you handle and you don't get tense because you have so many things to be completed at a certain time. Well, again, meditation works on your central nervous system. It involves breathworks, which balances the emotions that's involved in how you become active and how you become passive. So meditation allows you to create that balance. When you are having balance in your nervous system, then you tend to think better. You tend to relax. And when you are at a relaxed state, always remember, when you are not pressuring yourself, you do give your best and you perform at your best. At any time of our day, there will be triggers, either from inside us or external environment. Now, will meditation help you reset quickly? Meditation is a practice. It is not a pill that will quickly give you a remedy. But what works best? Begin with breathworks. Yes, the answer to that, if you want a very quick reset, just do the proper breathing, which is appropriate to how you feel. So if you're feeling anxious, you are again in your active mode. So breathe long so that you will counter it and your nervous system will become relaxed. If you are depressed, then you are in the passive mode. Then you have to breathe fast and be active. So you do the breathing that will match that. So definitely, meditation is a practice. Now, when you are good at it, you will also be good in life. So there will be less moments of being triggered because meditation, as you consistently do it, your central nervous system balances on its own. So triggers will never affect you. And if it will, you will manage it very easily and quickly. When your day is busy and full of deadlines, then you might be under so much pressure to do something. So when you do even a quick meditation, you feel that you get more relief, you get more relaxed, and of course you become more productive. Why is that? Well, simply because when you pause for a moment and then you focus and allow your body to come into balance by doing meditation and breath works, your nerves becomes also relaxed. And then when there's no pressure at all, you respond better. You become more productive. You tend to think properly because a relaxed mind can produce relaxed and beautiful things. That's why good things comes from a well-rested mind and a relaxed mind. You can prevent your day to become stressful if you are a consistent meditation practitioner. Why? Because if you do practice meditation, you are putting yourself in a state of balance, which means you are already positioning yourself to be calm, to be receptive, to be accepting. You are ready for whatever that is going to happen through the day. So which means, if you are a meditator, don't think that there will be no problem. There will be, but your way of responding to it is very different because you understand that there will be things in that particular day that's not in your control, and you learn to accept that with the proper meditation practice. And if there are things that you can actually do to create the result that you want, you also know that you can do that, because in meditation, you are aware that anything that you desire, you can do very well. So meditation is not a way to escape. Meditation is a way for you, a tool for you to handle your day-to-day life. Have you told yourself to stop enjoying or engaging in your passion or hobbies because you are overthinking that you have so many responsibilities, you have so many deadlines to meet, and you think that if you do enjoy, you're stealing away the time that's supposed to will be used to complete your deadlines? Don't forget that if you are having fun or enjoying, that's also a form of meditation. Meditation is when you feel that you are in a state of relaxation and a state of joy or bliss. So when you spend moments in that phase, you are actually reviving that relaxation phase in your life. And then when you bring your body into that phase or your mind, then you come back to do your work with more passion, in a relaxed state, and you really tend to be more productive. So, stop overthinking by doing things that you love. Shift a bit, pause a bit, and then go back. Anyway, if you worry too much, if you overthink too much, you will just become tired and exhausted. No ideas will come to mind. And then, nothing will be done anyway if you are worried or unhappy about the things that you need to be completed.